The key thing we can do is provide our customers with a solution that meets their exacting needs to reach the outcome that they're looking for. Whether for a processing plant, mine site, above ground or underground, even an industrial manufacturing facility, each of these type of customers have different needs, but they all require a specific outcome. Sometimes a solution needs to suit particular environmental conditions like very high or extreme ambient conditions, high humidity, maybe salt-laden environments, aggressive chemical environments, and so we need to customise a solution to suit those applications. We also regularly deliver solutions that are intended to reduce site costs by modularising, pre-packaging all the piping and the electrical work so that they can plug and play on site. What's different about CAPS is that we've got a very large engineering team and a 3,000 square metre engineering facility. Overall, we've got the collective experience of about 80 years across our business and in our engineering team in expertise. We have a one-of-a-kind test booth in our facility, which allows us to replicate site conditions and test the equipment with our customers if need be to demonstrate performance in their application. CAPS have successfully delivered hundreds of projects over 35 years. We have the expertise to provide a solution to meet your requirements. Please reach out to our team to see if there's anything we can do to provide you with a solution for your application.